Hi, this is Mr. Labonte. In these videos, I am going to teach you how to use the Leica microscope. So these are the Leicas. They're quite nice microscopes. When you get it, it's going to have a cap on it. This is the dust cover. You can take that off. And then there's a handle here and a handle underneath, so you can use this to move the Leica microscope. What you're going to see in the back here is the power cord is going to be wrapped up. So when you finish, wrap the power cord up. Have it there. You can unwrap it. You do not have to unwrap the power cord all the way because they should be fairly close to a plug, and you can plug the power cord in like that. Secondly, there is another cord. This is the data cable cord. It has one kind of standard USB component that goes down here, which really just gives power to this part, and this is the camera and the Wi-Fi component. So you have to plug that in first. So now you have all the electricity that you're supposed to have to check it. You go to the green rocker switch, turn that on. If that turns on, you'll see the light will go on as well. That means that basically the scope has power. Then there's another power switch up here for the camera. You press that and wait. This is a game of patience. You see that that's blinking red. Just say the Hail Mary, do whatever you need to do to make sure every time you turn this on and you adjust any of the buttons up here that you give it time to work. Why might you want to do that? Because it's going to project images to your iPad. So you need to have your iPad, and then on your iPad you're going to need to have this program, which I should have talked to you about in class, Leica AirLab. So you'll want to make sure that you have that. But even before you open Leica AirLab, what you need to do, after you get a green light here, is you go to this button, the second button. This is the Wi-Fi button. Press that Wi-Fi button, and what you're going to notice is it starts blinking red again. That means I'm thinking, I'm trying. Say the Hail Mary, do whatever you need to do. Give it a chance to chillax. As that's going on, I'm going to show you that up here, there's a specific number, 5688, and then PW right here, that's Leica Micro, that's the password. So this is this particular microscope, this is on every microscope, and then the password. Now if we look back over here, oh my gosh, the light turned green. So once the light turns green, that means you can go over here to your Wi-Fi settings, and if you look, give it another second, you're going to see 5688. This is the microscope. Then it's going to ask you for the password, and that's LEICA MICRO, like a micro. You punch that in, and the microscope is now projecting to your iPad. So that's how to get that set up. All right, now once you have your internet reading your Leica microscope, then go to your iPad, go to your Leica AirLab app and click on that, and you're going to see this screen. Now you go over to this button right here where there's a camera, and you click on that. Again, you get to say a Hail Mary or practice your Buddha meditation, because it's going to take a second before the camera shows up. There's this really nice one that has a cool picture, but that's a demo camera. That's just fake garbage. Don't click that. Click the one that's either blank or has a different image on it. And the last 4 digits are going to correspond to the digits on your microscope. So click on that and give it a second. And then my screen right now is blank because there's nothing on the scope. So I have a slide here. Now I'll bring this over. The stage, the way the stage works is there's just this little metal plate that slides back and forth. So when you have a slide, first of all, you want to make sure that your rotating nose piece is on the smallest lens. So this is your ocular lens, and make sure that the stage is down. So you're going to turn the fine knob here on the right to make the stage go down. When that's down, carefully slide in a slide, and you can see this slide is not centered, so the image on the slide is not centered. Over here, there are 2 wheels, and then you'll be able to bring the image up and move it into the light. Once that happens, you need to use the eyepieces to make it focused. So I'll focus it with the eyepieces now. Using first the rough focus, bringing it up, so not down, but up. Bringing the stage up, and then really at this magnification you don't even need the fine focus. At that point, you should be able to have the image represented here on your iPad. If you don't have the image on your iPad, you can go back to the camera and refocus from the camera. Sometimes, if it's badly behaved, I punish it by shutting it down and opening it back up. All right, and then you can see the image here on the iPad, and you can see that this is a live image, so that when I move over here, what I'm doing is I'm moving the frame, and the image on the iPad moves. You can obviously do a screenshot. The easiest thing to do would be to do a screenshot from the iPad to get the image. I hope this helps.